Today we are going to introduce the Nilight triple row LED light bar. Let's take a look together now. Open the box. You can see a warranty card. You can contact us to inquire about product issues through the contact information on the warranty card. Includes one-piece 15-inch LED spot and flood combo light bar with black aluminum housing and high-quality LED chips. Contains durable adjustable mounting brackets and accessories for quick installation. Five-minute quick installation. Simply fix the bracket to the light with screws on the light with bolts and nuts. The dazzling lights easily light up the dark night, bring you wider and farther view area.